Good morning, friends. So finally, the rain has started here in Mumbai. You can see or you can hear the noise of rain, and you can also see. I'll show you that rain is falling very high, and we have put the curtain, transparent plastic in front of our door because of heavy rain. And here in Chaul, each and every person or put it because of it. So rain has already started here, and not we did not expect yesterday that rain will fail like this. So but we are very happy that not me, each and every person in state in Mumbai, they are happy because we have been facing too much heat since March, April, May, and since yesterday. So today finally rain has come, and enjoy the rainy season, guys. But always take care yourself. Always be aware while walking over the road, while walking under the construction building, while walking under the tree. So because many incidents happen in a rainy season, so always take care, guys, and um, enjoy rainy season. It is a very cool period, and it's always sometimes it creates a horrible condition, I know that. So take care yourself and enjoy it, and happy rainy season, or happy rainy season, happy monsoon, guys. Thank you.